On the occasion of Christmas, countries across the world are lit up and the smell of pie is in the air. Bengaluru also has left no stone unturned in these celebrations. Today we are here at Shivajinagar's St. Mary Basilica's church to see the celebrations. The church has already conducted the Mass on 24th December Eve, and now the church is open for everybody to pray and worship and enjoy the Christmas celebrations. Let's go inside the church to be a part of the celebrations. Can you tell us about the preparations of the church for the Christmas and what's going on?
So we all know that it's Christmas time, it's Christmas Day, and a day, joyful day for all of us Christians, because we celebrate the birth of Jesus. 2000 years ago, Jesus was born for our sake. He brought peace into the world, and we celebrate His birth today. As we celebrate, as you see, St. Mary's Basilica is one of the most prominent churches in Bangalore, and of course renowned all over the world. Okay, as a place, we call it a shrine, a shrine where many people come. People of all faiths come. Today you would have seen plenty of crowd here. Actually, for Christmas we expect close to 15 to 20,000 people to come here, pray and worship. And the beauty is, people of all faiths come here to pray. Okay, it's not just Christians who come. The church is open for all people of all faiths to come, pay their respects, pray and receive their favors and go. For Christmas, we have begun the celebrations since yesterday. Yesterday in the evening at 7:30, we began our celebrations, and we have continued till this afternoon, 12 o'clock. So the post-afternoon, we don't have any prayers or mass as such. Instead, we have kept the church open so people can come and visit the crib, visit the shrine, pray and go. Now it's time for people to pray personally, but there is no mass or anything as such. Since yesterday till midnight we had masses. Then again this morning, early in the morning from 6 o'clock, we had masses. So plenty of people have come. They have witnessed the celebrations, and they've gone home with joy. So today, on this occasion, I also wish all your viewers a very happy Christmas, and pray that the newborn Christ may fill their lives with joy, peace, hope and happiness, and that may resonate every day of their lives. Thank you.
Also, sir, do you have any message for Christmas to all the people across the world?
Yes, of course. Christmas is a time of joy, as I told you just now. It's a time of joy, it's a time of love, it's a time of peace. So I wish all people across the world, all your viewers, a very happy Christmas, and pray that God may bless them abundantly in everything that they do, and that their lives may be full of joy, peace, happiness, and that the same joy, peace and happiness may resonate every day in their lives in all that they do. God bless them all.
రోజు ఈ క్రిస్మస్ సెలబ్రేషన్ జరుపుకోవడం మాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. మేము హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి బెంగళూరు వచ్చి మా యొక్క చెల్లెలు వాళ్ళు ఇంటికి వచ్చాము. అక్కడ నుంచి ఈ క్రిస్మస్ సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈ చర్చికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి మాకు హైదరాబాద్లో మెదక్ చర్చి ఎంత ఆనందంగా ఉందో, ఈ బెంగళూరు చర్చి కూడా సేమ్ అదే పొజిషన్లో ఉంది. అంతే పబ్లిక్ ఉన్నారు. చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది చూడటానికి కూడా. ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఈ క్రిస్మస్ సందర్భంగా విషయం చెప్పడానికి ప్రతి ఒక్క పేరున విశేషం అందరికి చెప్తూ ఈ యొక్క క్రిస్మస్ జరుపుకోవాలని అందరినీ కోరుకుంటూ ఉన్నాం.
మేము హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి బెంగళూరుకు వచ్చాము. మేము హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటాము. అయితే ఇక్కడ సెలబ్రేషన్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈరోజు అందరూ మంచిగా సెలబ్రేషన్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు అనేసి మేము విషయం చెప్పడానికి వచ్చాము. ఇక్కడ చర్చి కూడా బాగుంది. మేము ప్రేయర్ చేసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాము. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అందరికీ హ్యాపీ క్రిస్మస్.
Happy Christmas.
Yesterday, we all are attended night mass. Now we came again for the church to see the Christmas crypt. So every year it is a celebration is going good only, and we are happy about and waiting for New Year also to join at night mass. Entire nation, it is a Christmas is a festival, and everybody. It is not only a Christian, for all religion human. It is a festival. So happy Christmas to entire world.
As you can see, the Christmas celebrations here are full of pomp and fanfare at the church. People from all walks of life have come together and there is joy in the air. A Merry Christmas to all of you and in advance Happy New Year. This is Akshila Mehta reporting for Daily Salar Digital. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.